Breaking tonight, the House Financial Services Committee announced it will hold a hearing on market instability after amateur traders flooded the stock market and bet against the big guys.
Yeah, today, investing apps like Robinhood sparked outrage after halting trading in stocks, including GameStop. Trading is now set to resume tomorrow.
This all started after traders increased shares of GameStop by nearly 800% over the past week. CBS 12's Lexi Nall joins us in the studio with the latest on the Wall Street showdown that has everybody talking. Lexi?
Liz, to experienced investors, companies like GameStop didn't look very promising recently, but a rogue group of investors on the internet did rally together this week to drive up the price of the stock, and the payday looked good. But today, some platforms began cracking down.
People like me are too late to reap the benefits, and then we're just left with losses.
Young day traders like Ryan Riesenberg are feeling some whiplash today after they were barred from trading GameStop and other stocks on trading apps like Robinhood.
They are robbing you. They are stealing from you. This is criminal. The Robinhood CEOs, they belong in jail.
Barstool Sports founder Dave Portnoy sounding off on Twitter after Robinhood pulled the circuit breaker on what was otherwise a profitable few days for some young, inexperienced day traders.
Some of them made tremendous amounts of money, at least on paper.
The frenzy began when a group of amateur day traders took to the internet and rallied together to breathe life back into hemorrhaging stocks like GameStop. It's called short squeezing, and it happens when people rally together to drive up the price of stock and squeeze out the people who bet against it. Just yesterday, hedge fund titans who bet against GameStop ended up losing billions.
So the potential for loss is huge, and evidently some big hedge funds have lost a lot of money playing the short game.
This rogue group of young speculators came together earlier this week on a website called Reddit, where they communicated in a thread called Wall Street Bets. Some experts say that's market manipulation, but financial expert Milton Ezrati says this doesn't seem like an illegal scheme, just a dangerous game of gambling that was built to fail, since what goes up eventually must come down.
I don't think they're doing anything illegal. I think that if enough of them get badly hurt, that will get around and people will stop playing the game. It's a foolish game because most of them will lose out. But they're adults, they want to play.
The SEC says it's monitoring the volatile situation in the stock market, but traders like Ryan say they won't be kept out of the game just because brokers restrict trade on GameStop. He says there's now a new generation of young traders who are determined to keep playing.
And I think, millions of people are going to get behind this, and I think the underdog is going to eventually win.
For CBS 12 News, I'm Lexi Nall.